All right, y'all, it's 2017. We're here at Commonwealth Coach and Trolley Museum. January 2017. Gonna do some cold starts here. First bus, 2001 Gillig, Greater Richmond Transit Company. All right, cold start number one. Here we go. We didn't get a lot of smoke, but we got some cranking action. All right, next cold start, 1997 Gillig, Greater Lynchburg Transit Company. Smoke show there. Next bus, 1990 Flxible, Greater Richmond Transit Company.
There's some smoke starting. Man, they're just smoking.
Next bus, 1958 GMC, Roanoke City Lines, currently Valley Metro. It's a little bit too cold for this old girl.
Yeah.
Next bus, 1968 Buffalo.
And for y'all who have a hard time seeing, the muffler pipe is right there. Maybe too cold for her too.
She's too cold. Next vehicle, 1993 Volvo cab over. Came from Blacksburg Transit as a service truck. test vehicle, what year is this? 1990 Volvo GM semi-truck with a
Cummins L10.
That was the easiest one so far.